gonna go over the waste system. Down here is the black water tank. You can hardly see it because of all the glare, but there you go. Black water tank. Plumbing coming in from the toilet on over. There's your dump tube holder. Truck out the back, interior, plumbing. See here, this is where you'll fill up your freshwater 40-gallon tank, and then you've got a 30-gallon gray water tank next to it, plumbed in. The sink is the only thing that drains into the gray water tank. You got your waste tube here for your gray water. Go ahead, just boop, gray water empty. Oh, there it goes. Water heater there holds 10 gallons, 10-gallon water heater. There's your pumping setup for giving you water pressure. There's your awning room, stuff back up on top of that stuff, but that's the bug room for the awning. You lift the mattress to change the propane tank. You can see the propane tank back there, but you actually have to get to it from underneath the bed. Everything you need.